In this video, I want to talk about how you can start using TradingView as a beginner. So what you need to do is head over to the products and go to the super charts. Once you're in here, click on the trading panel. And once you're inside of trading panel, let me just quickly go out of this. You want to grab this one and just drag it up. And then you want to connect your broker or start with a paper trading account. Now, once you've done this, you're now ready to trade. So to trade, you want to click up here, search for whatever one you want to trade. So let's just do Tesla. And once you're in here, you want to press either sell or buy. Now buy means you expect the price to go up. Sell means you expect the price to go down. So if I press buy here, I'll open up my buy order. Then you have two main ones, which is a market order and a limit order. Market order basically just means that you're gonna buy it at the exact price. So you can type how many shares you want to buy. And you can see here, you're going to buy it at this price exactly. So when you buy this, you're just going to buy it. Now a limit order means that you're going to buy it at a specific price. So let's say at 380, you want to buy this one. So at 380, and you can put a take profit and a stop loss. So how this works is take profit and stop loss. You can type where you want it to be, or you can drag on these. So let's say you expect it to go up to 450 and you put your stop loss here. Now what this means is once price reaches 380.85, it's gonna put in your order, and if it hits here, you're gonna get 1,144 profit. If it reaches here, it's gonna close it and you lose 830. Now you can choose how many shares you want to do. So let's say you only want to do one share, and you can see now the price changes a lot, and that's also your investment that changes a lot. So this is basically how it works, guys. You can find all the indicators up here. There are many different tools out here that you can open and check. This right here will be the screeners if you want to filter out for some specific ones, and that is the basic of it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.